People, it's your boy Kebu TV on the MXC, and a brand new day. Welcoming into a brand new day, a brand new event, a brand new lot of things. This is Kebu TV. Can I watch wherever you are? And today is Monday, the 4th day of February, the 4th day of March. Sorry, the 4th day of March, 2024. Kebu TV is reporting from Abayi Ariaria, Asamato. Abayi Obuliba, Eberi Omuma, so many roads, so many villages cutting across this very place. This is where Tunnel and Construction Company is constructing another 8-kilometer road, well to a light road, and the importance of this road can never be overemphasized. That is why I took it upon myself to always come around to show the world what things that happen here. When you look closely, you can also notice the popular St. Mary's Catholic Church, Roman Catholic Church, Abayi Ariaria, and the rainy season is around the corner, so the contractor is trying his best. You know, the other day I was invited between the community and also the contractor while they complain the slow pace of work. So after everything put into consideration, they have also back to site, fired in a knock cylinder. These guys now at my backhand side, you can see that they are doing the drainage construction. I met them. I've been here for a very different purpose. But my men on duty, let me do what I know how to do best. You're watching Kebu TV, and please always remember to share our video. Always remember to subscribe to our channel. Always remember to follow us back to back. React and also drop your comments. These are Tunnel and Construction Company, and this is Asamato, Eberi Omuma, Abayi Ariaria, or Abayi Obuliba. I have so many names in my head, and they try you as if I don't nationalize here. So they are doing it, and it's our duty to make sure that we'll be bringing the situation update, situation reports from what the commissioner told me the other day I met him, and which is verifiable. Over 30% of people doing business in the most popular area of international markets all reside along this vicinity. So which means there's a need for the government to do the needful. There's need for government to do a proper channeling and a proper work along this axis. What am I telling you? I'm telling you that Kebu neighbor, flesh and blood, Kebu is here, life and direct, to tell the world that the work has never stopped for people who is spending the rumors and also insinuations that the contractor have stopped work. You can see me live and direct. Today is Monday, the 4th day of March 2024. They are finally knocking in, and I will be showing you situation updates, what did they do, how did they do, and how they are tend to deliver on this very project. So stay tuned on Kebu. We'll show you around. So follow me. Let's take a little walk to show you again. This is a dual carriage lane, and the road is very, very wide. Yeah, this is our middle as well, but you can see the specs where this road, that Bachala road, you can see it on the floor, where the road is going to lie, and where the drainage is being propelled or Eberi specs to stay. You know what Kebu is all about. Kebu is all about Abia State. Kebu is all about projecting our culture. Kebu is all about projecting the improvement in our state, the development in our state, and also Kebu is also serving as a mediator between the people and the government, so that you can be able to broker peace and also broker information, those information that have been too difficult to dilute or to get. We always get it very closely, very accessibly, very widely, and very possibly. So this is the popular Eberi Omuma, Abayi Ariaria, Abayi Obuliba, Asamato community in Oxisomangwa local government of Abia State. Stay tuned while Kebu take you on a ride for you to see what in the sub in this part of the world. The city that never goes to sleep. The most popular seat here in Oxisomangwa local government. Again, 30%, over 30% of people living in area, doing business in Ariaria international market, or reside in this very part. So if you have never visited this area, I don't think you will able to a population. So stay tuned while I take you on a ride. So my people, from my findings, because I met the engineers now, they shared some views with me. Always so many culverts not here. So from my findings now, this is entrance I want. I also Abayi Obuleba, yes, Umo Chala Obuleba, and all the rest of them. The entrance. So what you can maybe that side. So this all this side can have actually the flooding, and we culvert here, as you can see. Let me show you this. This is a culvert. This is a culvert right now. So from that Abayi area, Asama or axis, go towards this direction. That Abayi Obuleba Umo Chala. Maybe I will make a time to see if I can visit there. But towards this house and also go so about Habuzi Gawa Chief Kalama Hebam Shibiana. So look at where they open, you can see the movement of the water. So I got another drainage here, Bumiria Gawa towards this direction. So maybe million or side. I have not been there, but let me just conclude it this way. So moving forward, let's also go to where I have the video Eberi and a cast drainage. Let's also go to where the contractors or the workers are doing one thing or the other. You can see the wideness of the road. You can also see Eberi mark. Nobody should pass. Who come out for?
Don't you West Africa?
Who come back? So this is a blue arch fuel station. Blue arch fuel station. This is the same road. Very important road. Economic viable roads. This is the same Eberi Omuma axis. Kebu no here. You can see that they are making plans. They are on the game of after then you can see now a challenge, flooding challenge. There's a mini newspaper and you can also know from the onset, it's from the history of creation. Arutiboza for the first time. Arutiboza at all. So this is the first time. This is a groundbreaking event. This is a breaking news. The governor, Dr. Lex Shomauti, being the first to walk on this road. Hold on. Yeah. To be honest with you, road the massive support to this present government. The little experience of what these guys are passing through whenever it rains. Then this last look at the condition of Asamato, Eberi Omuma, Abayi and its environs. Abayi Obuleba and its environs. You can see how they look. Even on coming here, immediately I arrived here, I now noticed. I didn't notice that one of their grader equipment sink. Ojo bekwaram. Sinna nka caterpillar toro. I want a caterpillar on a poto. But imagine. So the place is fuckingly bad. The place is stinkingly bad, and it required not only urgent attention but also fast, quick one, as the case may be. This is Cable TV, and today is 4th day of March 2024. Cable no ni horo. Cable no na Ariaria. Eberi Omuma Asamato. Abayi Obuleba. Osisi Omangwa local government of Abia State. Now, a serious flooding challenge. That is why, if they did not meet up on time, really gather mad of ham. So that is why as we dey waka, as we dey trend them, as we dey ship this information, we believe government will be able to give them all the maximum support, all the encouragement, all the fundings for them to deliver. You can see now some of their vehicles kana abakwa aja. So drainage ebidokwala no ebe mbido ya ebe aha ebidokwala this video. Drainage ebidola mutikwala no ebe atire channel the drainage. So let us go awuni ije ofu onye. It's a gradual process. People living around this place anya hona ketoro biati, they are passing through a lot in terms of the condition of the roads, and that is why kebu neighbor to go bring here to limelight, to bring here to the public view, go bring here so that our people will also know within the sub in this part of the world. You are watching Kebu TV, and always remember to share our video, subscribe to our channel, follow us, we'll follow you back. Follow us back to back so that we'll be able to be giving you basketballs in terms of information. Yeah, we know the joke, we mean business. We know the joke. At Bola Park, you can see we are parked. Not only we are parked, you can also see most of their earth moving equipment, the roller, the excavator, the bulldozer, the payloader, and the everything. Yes, they are all in place. Then Ariaria on the tunnel end construction company. Yeah, so Eberi na Osoma local government. Yeah, with straight road, just like hotels way, hotels way. Kiana basically NPC depot. Yeah, a car para. Take a para square link here to Overenta. Ota Kosa square Bawa link here to River State and also Imo State. Very important road. And those who are link here, the popular Fox road that you and I know. It's a very important road. So, we will say that I can about the hand time when I get in easy. Ndowa, Mbowa, Henemin, Hala, Ebo Nebe, Nambo Nebe. So, stay tuned. While Kebu, we take a little rest. So that I am going to strength the video also. I will make fire. I can have fire report back to back, non-stop. Oro, Gaga, everywhere. Kebu, Nawa, everywhere. So watch out. I will give you our latest